Introduction to API Testing with curl.
Curl is a command line tool that lets you send and receive data from web servers. It's popular with developers for testing APIs, which are sets of instructions that allow different software to communicate. Learning how to use curl helps you quickly check if APIs are working correctly, making it an essential skill for anyone interested in coding or software testing.
Installing curl on your computer.
Most computers come with curl pre-installed. On Windows, you might need to download it from the official website. On Mac OS and Linux, curl is usually ready to use in the terminal. To check, just enter curl-version. If you see version information, you're set. If not, follow installation instructions for your operating system.
Making a basic GET request.
To test an API, start with a GET request which asks for data. Open your terminal and type curl https apiexample.com/data. Replace the URL with your API's address. You'll see the server's response printed in your terminal. This simple command checks that the API is accessible and responds as expected.
Sending data with POST requests.
APIs often need you to send information. Use a POST request to do this. For example, curl xpost-d name Alex https apiexample.com users. The xpost option tells curl to use post, and the d sends data. Modify the data and URL as needed for your API. This is useful for creating new records.
Adding headers and authentication.
Sometimes APIs require extra information like authentication tokens. Use the -h option with curl. For example, curl-h authorization bearer your token https://api.example.com. Replace your token with your real token. Adding headers lets you access protected resources or send special instructions to the API.
Analyzing and troubleshooting responses.
Curl displays the API's response in your terminal. Look for response codes like 200, success, 400, not found, or 500, server error, to understand what happened. If a request fails, review the message or add -v for verbose output. Curl's details help you troubleshoot and understand how the API behaves.
Wrap up, practice, and next steps.
With these basic curl commands, you can test most APIs by sending requests and examining responses. Practice with different methods like GET and POST. Try adding headers and read responses carefully. Mastering curl will boost your confidence in working with APIs, laying the foundation for more advanced software development and testing skills.